नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है शौविक and you are watching Mathematics from Basic YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. In this video, we will define a set capital M as you can see in the screen, and we will find its supremum and infimum using Archimedean property. Okay. So once again, thanks for watching. Now let's go for the discussion. Okay. So our given set A. Once again. Our given set A is 1 by n plus 1 by m as follows, and we need to find supremum and infimum. Okay, so once again, I don't know what happened. Okay, so before going to the formal proof, first let us do the possible guesses. So now observe that set capital A, at least if you put in this capital in the number line, then observe that here is 0. Okay, and there here is 2. Here is some element 1. Now observe that here is the element 1 by 2. It is an element of A. Here is some other small elements. Okay, here are also some other small elements. Here also one of them is maybe 1 plus 1 by 2. Okay, but look that 1 by n plus 1 by m is less than 1 plus 1. This is equal to 2. So elements of capital A should be less than 2. Okay, but observe that this element 2 belongs to capital A. Okay, so this 2 is a upper bound, and this belongs to capital A, the given set. And also observe that every element of capital A is greater than 0. So 0 is a lower bound of A. Okay. Okay, but if we consider this a point 0 and a small distance epsilon, then we can find an element between 0 and epsilon. Some element A belongs to A, which is 0 and epsilon, due to Archimedean property. Okay, as follows, because due to Archimedean property, we will get 1 by some 2n. This is less than epsilon for some 1 n not natural. So this element is in capital A. Okay, so 0 seems to be a possible infimum, or, or better it's a lower bound, and 2 seems to be a possible supremum. Okay, so what are the possible guesses? So possible guesses are supremum is equal to 2 and infimum equal to 0. Okay, now what is our claim? Our claim is supremum is exactly 2 and infimum of A is exactly 0. It is a formal proof. Okay, so formal proof as follows. First observe that 2 is an upper bound of A, and 2 belongs to A. So 2 is least upper bound of A, which implies supremum of A is 2. So supremum of A is 2. We are done. Now consider the infimum situation, infimum case. Okay, so we know that L. Now look, we need to show 0 is equal to infimum of A. It happens if and only if for any epsilon greater than 0, we can find an element S belongs to A such that 0 less than equal to S less than epsilon. Okay. So what we need to do? So we need to start with epsilon greater than 0. Then due to Archimedean property, we can find an n naught, which is a element of, which is a natural number, such that 1 by n naught is less than epsilon. Now this 1 by n naught can be written as follows: 1 by 2 n naught by 1 by 2 n naught. This is less than epsilon. Okay. And observe that this element 1 by 2 n naught plus 1 by 2 n naught, this belongs to capital A. Okay. So we are and this is of course less than greater than 0. So 0 is the infimum. Okay. So 0 is the infimum of A. So this is what we want to show. Hence 0 is the infimum of A, and here we have already proved that 2 is a supreme of A. So this is what we want to show, and our claim are proved. So we are done. Thanks for watching. And if you find this content useful, then please consider to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Okay. So thanks. Bye.